This is chayote. This plant belongs to the gourd family. Chayote is a vine that bears a pear-shaped green fruit with thin skin and greenish to white flesh. Some varieties have hairy or spiny fruits. It is a tender perennial to warm climate, but it can be grown as annual in cold climate. Growing chayote would normally require sturdy trellis, fence, or any structure that would support the vine for it to climb. Plant chayote in full sun to well-drained soil rich in organic matter. It will also grow in partial sun, but it will be less productive. Planting chayote in clay soil would also reduce its crop productivity because clay soil retains water. This fruit or vegetable has high water content that gives it a mild flavor that is similar to cucumber or zucchini when cooked. And it has a crunchy texture when eaten raw. This is a very versatile vegetable or fruit or whatever you call it. It can be boiled, put in salad, soup, sauté, and even grilled. Chayote is rich in amino acid and vitamin C. No need to peel the skin because most of the amount of the nutrients are in the peel. It is also rich in fiber. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, one chayote has 39 calories, 0.3 grams of fat, and 9 grams of carbohydrates. All parts of chayote, from roots, stems, seeds, and young shoots, are edible, although I haven't tried eating those parts. A bit of warning though, chayote sap can cause skin irritation to some people. Okay, let's try to grow some chayotes. I'm going to start and try to grow chayotes early because this plant requires 120 to 150 frost-free days to harvest. And we only have about 3 months of growing season. We are going to try to grow them in 3 different ways to figure out which would be the fast, easy, and most effective way to grow this plant. Let me prepare the material that I need, but first, let's put these chayotes aside for now. Let's start with bathing these chayote with water. Put it in the Ziploc bag. Hopefully this will help add some moisture, although chayote fruit is mostly water. Okay, let's seal this bag so moisture won't escape. Oh, I'm still writing 2022 instead of 2023. Next method is to cut the chayote in half. I'm going to cut it only halfway through to avoid damaging the seed. Okay, let's extract the seed from the fruit. I'm going to save the fruits to cook later. Wrapping the seed with paper towel and spray it with water to keep it moist. The seed didn't look mature enough, but we are going to try growing it anyway. No harm in trying. Let's spray it with water. I think that is wet enough. Let me store this in this takeout container and put it aside because I am going to cut another one. I'll just wipe this dry and then we'll continue. I'm choosing a good one to cut, maybe something that is more mature than the last one. This is probably good. Again, I'm going to cut this halfway through to avoid damaging the seed. Looks like this seed is better than the first one. Let's remove the seed without damaging it. Ooh, take a look at this. It looks like there is already something happening with the seed. This seed looks promising. Okay, let's wrap it with tissue paper. Spray with water. Okay, let me put the seeds together. Cover and store it in warm place away from direct sun. Let's put a label so we know exactly when we started this method of growing. The third method of growing is the easiest one because we are not going to do anything. We are just going to leave it as is and we'll see if this will sprout or not, or how long it'll take before it sprouts. Let's not forget to put the label. So, here are the 3 different ways of growing the chayotes. The Ziploc bag, extracted seeds with paper towel, and the 2 chayotes that we didn't do anything. We are just going to wait and see what happens. I'll post an update whenever there is something happening with the chayotes. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell. And comments would be appreciated. Thank you again. Bye-bye.